Hello everyone, I'm Steven from Vein Music, and today we're going to tackle the trickiest chord for beginner, the F chord. But don't worry, with a bit of practice, you'll have it down in no time. Let's jump right to it. An F bar chord. We can play it like that as well. We can also play it this way. You can also play it this way, or you add this note here to play an F major 7, the E note. But let's break down the bar chord. To play an F bar chord, you simply place this index finger on fret 1. You bar from the 6th fret to the 1st fret. You bar it, all of them. Then with your ring finger, you play 3rd fret of the A string. With your pinky, you play 3rd fret of the D string. With your middle finger, you play 2nd fret of the G string, and you have it like that. You play all the strings. The simplest way you can play this inversion is the C with the C as the bass note. This is simply the same thing, but you just create a small bar right here. A small bar on the 1st and 2nd string, that is E and B, and you play with your middle finger on fret 2 of the G string, with your pinky on fret 3 of the D string, and with your ring finger on fret 3 of the A string, and you simply have that down. You can also play it this way. I've just removed the pinky and replaced it with the ring finger. That is simple like that. And I'm playing from this string. I'm playing from the D string, which is simply the root note. The root note is right there. Here, this is the root note, and also this is the root note. It's just an octave higher, and that is our F. You can also move it further. By knowing the triad, you can play the F chord anywhere. Remember, the triad is simply the F, the A, and the C. And we have our triad right there. This is our triad. So that is our F also. But for now, let's just focus with these three. This F, and finally we have this bar F. So you have it down. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.